Hey everybody, welcome back to day 2 of layering highlights with Fenty matchsticks, and today I'm actually going to be using this feller here. I am going to do another layering demo for you. Of course, one side with just the shimmer sticks and the other side with the shimmer sticks plus the highlighter on top, so we can see a different effect. Nobody has really done that yet, especially layering. Love to layer to get different type of, if you layer a different type of undertones, coloring, stuff like that, brings out something different. So day number 2, dos. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so today I'm going in with unicorn. This is definitely more of, I think, like a purple lilac. Oof. Okay, let's go into it. Alright, as always, I like to highlight this whole area. And that is definitely, wow. Okay. We're doing it. Let's doing it. Okay. So, as always, blend it out. This would actually look definitely gorgeous on like a tan deep to deeper skin tones. Ooh. Actually, it's really pretty. Let me add a little bit more right in here. Right on the C. Obviously the formula is cream to powder. Goes down creamy once you start to warm it up. So there we go. Then it goes more to a powder. So yesterday I did Trippin' with Mean Money and Hustler Baby. That was gorgeous. So there we go. Don't be afraid of the color, because there we go. With it blended out and with it not. Now this side, let's go and lay down the layer. Perfect. Blend out. All about the blending. There we go. Has a hint of color. This would actually be really cool for more festivals. I would probably use this for. Especially if somebody has a very cool undertone and a deeper skin tone. Oh, it looks so beautiful. So, that's what it looks like face forward until you turn to the side. Now, let's intensify it with this. I am actually going with this guy right here. The top, which is going to be Scandalize, and this is gonna be a little bit ooh. All right, let's go and put it on. This you could definitely get away with being more of a eyeshadow for you more fair tone people. Perfect. Oh gosh, dang, that's really nice. Perfect. There we go. Unicorn mixed with a little Scandalize. Easy peasy. Layered. Not layered. Drama. Going to get groceries. So, there you guys go. Another one in the books. You could definitely build it up, keep it natural, keep it subtle. Actually, yeah, no, definitely I would not be wearing that as a lip color even for a photo shoot. So, hope you guys enjoy. Oh man, it's a little bit of gloss bomb on top. Now we're talking. So, with layered, just with the shimmer stick. Just so you guys can see a difference. There you go. Hope you guys learned something new. Enjoy, play around with it, never be afraid of it. And on to the next. Until Wednesday.